Indoor electric grills provide the same grilling features in compact and convenient units that you can use inside your home. Today, we're looking at the best 5 indoor grills that have an array of features and capabilities to consider. The 5th pick on our list today, kicking things off, is the Breville BGR 820 XL Smart Grill. The Breville Smart Grill's Element IQ technology bridges the gap between indoor and outdoor at an unrivaled new level. Heat sensors embedded in the grill plates compensate for the temperature drop when cold food is placed onto the preheated surface. The 1800-watt embedded heating design ensures maximum heat into the plates for faster cooking and reduced preheating time. This creates a barbecue-quality sear and sizzle. At number 4, we have the Hamilton Beach Indoor Flavor Searing Grill. Hamilton Beach Searing Grills have discovered how moist and tender meat can be when it's grilled the right way. Hamilton Beach Searing Grills quickly ramp up to a high heat that is ideal for searing in juices and flavor, and then cool down to the proper grilling temperature to finish cooking. You end up with tender results in every bite, plus the skill you need to grill perfectly every time. The 3rd pick on our list is the George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Grill in black. The George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Electric Grill is perfect for entertaining. Use the 240 square inches non-stick cooking surface to make a delicious family dinner, or move it outdoors for a classic backyard barbecue. The sloped grilling surface, variable temperature controls, and easy cleanup make it that much simpler to create burgers, chicken, appetizers, desserts, and so much more. At number 2, we have the DeLonghi BG24 Perfecto Indoor Grill. Enjoy indoor grilling all year long with the DeLonghi Indoor Grill. You will always get consistent grilled foods with the fully embedded grill plate. It distributes heat evenly to avoid any overly hot or cold spots. Impress your family and guests by using the tempered glass lid. It will keep your foods tasting perfect and juicy, and it keeps already grilled food warm. And the top product on the list today at number 1 is the Tfal GC702D OptiGrill Stainless Steel Indoor Electric Grill. This indoor grill offers versatility and convenience for any grilled meals. Choose from 6 preset programs: burger, poultry, sandwich, sausage, red meat, and fish. The grill's precision grilling technique with sensors measures the thickness of food for auto cooking based on the program selected. When the flashing light turns solid purple, the grill has been properly preheated. Place food on the grill, lower the lid, and it takes care of the rest. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share your valuable comments. If you liked our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day!